I can't even tell.
Let's get ready to rumble! 1, 2, 3. Ah, don't take the lead, don't take the lead. Oh, don't take the lead.
First time I've ever won!
What just happened?
No. You put mine too.
Sorry.
Wait, Kevin.
Huh?
Kevin. Oh, you don't have 2 hands. I'm sorry. I'll come with you then.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, Cam, that's... Magic, right? It's magic.
Oh, that happened.
Missing something important, it seems.
Who said it was important?
I don't know.
Seems like it was important.
I mean, they're crowded around it. That's gotta. Oh my gosh, this is so. Why'd you?
Is it all right? You're so wet.
Wonderful.
Let's get in groups of 5. And you
Heck
guys
yeah.
just play with these, okay? That's what we'll do today while I
What's our
try and
group?
find
Sweet.
soldering irons.
Well, what about?
They were in here and now they're not.
Yeah, it was.
It's fine, it's no big deal. Who needs? So we did each group.
I remember doing this.
What
are you doing?
Documentation.
Documentation.
You didn't see that?
No.
Onto your circuit over the round pads. What round pads? So I guess we do make the circles.
Sweet. So what we learned from this is that I should not be in charge of drawing the circuit.
Maybe.
Look at that. All blurred
We all
out.
got it. Got it. You drew initial signature. So for a week?
It's like the who is she kind of like the vine. I was going weird.
I did.
Did you really?
Yes.
You gotta lay off me, girl. You're too physical. What? So I just walked in here. It's dark, but I just heard something, a noise that was alternating, going up and down, like what? But it was very electronic sounding. Was it in here? Yesterday I was finishing up a lab for physics, and I needed a ruler for that. I did it in this room yesterday, in 7th period, but I forgot my ruler, and I'm really hoping it's in here. Dang it! Is it not in here? Well, that is really upsetting, because I've had that ruler for a very long made my day. I can fail my calc quiz. I'll be fine because this thing is my favorite. The big one. Is it not red anymore? Oh, wait, there it is.
Wow. Okay, so this has so much solder on it. Yep, I need one of those big. No.
Oh, wait a minute. Get the smoke. The big sponge. They're right there. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! You're crazy.
I know, and the iron is hot. I know, I felt the heat.
Don't you get me in the vlog? Get yourself in the vlog.
Like, just some top smell.
That'd be like a, you know if it was happening there, do that?
Yeah.
It's really that'd probably make my day. Go, Kevin, go. Kevin, pull it off. Yank it off.
I'm in the process.
Pull. All of it.
Okay, so.
Ah! Blasphemy!
Let's not scream with, a soldering iron in our hand.
It's not in my hand.
It does have lead.
God.
It does?
There's lead in it. We're gonna die. Well, how much of amount of lead?
It's 28% lead.
How do you know that?
It's not.
How don't you know that? Come on, Cameron. You get yourself in the shot. They want to see what the legendary softball player Cameron looks like.
I'm in a lot of vlogs.
You are. You're like, well, like, you're probably the reason why this actually sustained, to be honest. Because
That's a big surprise.
You're welcome to all the viewers, including Lil Alpheus. You're welcome. That's his future son, to who this vlog is dedicated.
Why just this one?
Well, all of them.
Cam takes the reins here. Yeah, you can't really even feel it there, right?
No.
That's what
It makes a bad noise, though. I don't like the noise
So
it
you seem
makes.
to be doing a pretty good job. It's already, yeah, good.
Way to go, Cameron.
I think it's the smell of burning sponge.
That's why I know.
Ninja
Hey, Dylan,
Evans over here.
wet some more?
Oh, of course, Dylan's gotta do it.
So, I just said some more wet.
Can you get it?
Good luck, guys. Keep going.
Keep
So
going.
we've been soldering this thing,
We keep going.
and pretty good. But
I'm so sorry.
Oh, did you? We mentioned the best Hershey kiss ever. This guy.
She didn't say ever. I just put my hand on.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, snap. We got
Now you have sponge on it.
sponge on there. Hold up.
Grab the sponge off of it
Cameron.
with this one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is it getting worse, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes.
Now there's sponge on it. Hold on. Can we?
Should probably do something.
Dismissed for getting dunked.
Ah, dang it! I should have stayed there longer, but I was like, what are the chances I'm gonna get that? And then, nice.
It'd be funny if you were up in there.
Y'all ready for this?